Good morning. Thanks for joining us at Earth and Tree Miniatures in Amherst, New Hampshire, and online at earthandtree.com. Today we're going to take a walk into our wood bin, one of my favorite areas for people that are creating their own project, building almost anything you can possibly imagine. First, as we step into our wood bin, on our right hand side here we have wooden cedar shingles from New York from Alessio Miniatures. Rectangular, fish scale, hexagon, Cape May, diamond, all different shapes. As well in here we have railings, built assembled railings made by us, turned posts by Houseworks, turned posts with assembled railings from Alessio, Classics, Aztec Imports. We have ladders with treads, rungs, and we have sheets of copper, self-adhesive for roofing, valleys, and hips and dormers. More shingles, different shapes. We even have siding shingles and pine shingles. Here we have our asphalt roofing material, hexagon, square, fish scale, gray, black, brown, green, red. Up above we have laser cut from Alessio Miniatures, gingerbread. These are all made in New York. Railings, many different sizes and styles. More asphalt shingles, and down below here we stock siding in 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. They come 24 inches long, 36 inch long. We have a little bit of MDF siding left over. This is the wood bin, one of my favorite places and very overwhelming to a lot of first timers. We try to organize by baseboard, crown molding, picture frame, chair rail, cove trim, crown molding, dental molding, all different types of cornices, gingerbreads. We have a little bit of cherry and walnut and basswood, a little bit of half scale, mostly 1/12, Houseworks, Northeast, Classic, Architect's Choice, Alessio. And down here we have channel molding, corner trim, many shapes. We also stock a full assortment of just basswood, stripwood for furniture building, shelf creating, for all sorts of different projects. We also carry beadboard and wainscoting, planking, vertical siding, board and batten. All comes different sizes, different varying widths and thicknesses. We have a little bit of cedar in stock, not much. Over here we have some of our Northeast scale miniatures left. Again, not much. They're pretty much fading out with the laser cut. A little bit of half scale Alessio shingles. We carry Laser Tech, which is another company that offers a lot of ornate details with bracketry and room dividers and apex. We also offer a company called JMG. These are unique, really affordable price points between $2 and $6 for most of their products. They're not made out of wood. They're actually made out of multiple layers of a thick, sturdy paper, but they paint just like wood and they're much more durable. They don't break and they finish off really nice. Those are made in Florida. Here we have different types of plastic roofing material to look like Spanish roofing, metal roofing, slate roofing. A lot of different project ideas there. We carry lattice, different thicknesses and styles. We have some pre-made wainscoting for walls. We carry window balconies and door balconies made by Alessio Miniatures in New York, curved ones, square ones. We have paneling to build your own wainscoting or doors, a few wagon wheels, table legs, finials, spindles. Again, really just the do-it-yourself, every option you can imagine. Brackets for outside, brackets for shelving. There's corner blocks for windows and doors, newel posts, balusters. We even have some stair kits, pull down attic stairs, ladder stairs with and without railings, and we do offer spiral staircase as well. Everything's available on our website. If you see something you're interested in, you can message us or email us or give us a call. Thank you and see you next time.